You're as smooth, Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet. Hey guys, so in this lesson we're going to be learning Tennessee whiskey, and this one just has 2 chords. Okay guys, so in this one we're going to be learning Tennessee whiskey, super easy. I'm just going to be showing a very basic beginner version of this today. If you've watched any of the tutorials you might have noticed other people teach it with bar chords, but this one's just a super friendly, easy beginner version. So we're going to be using the capo here on fret number 2, just to keep this one super simple. Let's start with the first chord, so G, 2nd string down from the top, fret 2, top string fret number 3, and bottom string fret number 3. And we strum all the strings. That's a G chord, that's our first chord, and then the only other chord we need in the song is an A minor, again all relative to the capo. 2nd string up from the bottom, fret 1, string above fret 2, and string above fret 2. Strum all the strings except the low E string here at the top. Again, pop the thumb over the top to mute that one if you need to. But we're going to strum from the A string down, that's the 2nd one down from the top, all the way to the bottom. So there are only 2 chords guys, so we've got a G and an A minor. So it's worth practicing them first. If you've got them, that's cool, and let's move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Okay guys, so now we've got the chords, we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Just a reminder, this is an absolute beginner basic strumming version, so I'm not going to be showing any of the bar chords or any of the main riffs throughout the song. This is just a super simple strum along version for beginners. So we're going to keep this nice and easy. Now, the order of the chords is G, A minor, A minor again, back to G. And we're in the time signature of 12/8. So if you don't know what that means, don't worry, it's not important. All it means is we're going to strum that first G chord 12 times, okay? So we're going to start 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so there's 12 strums on that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to move to the A minor chord and do the exact same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then it does A minor again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can count either 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and or the other way I just showed you was just counting to 12. So like 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, either way is fine. Most people teach it 1 and 2 and 3. But again, I've had students where they just prefer to count to 12, find it much easier. That's also fine. So yeah, again, the order literally stays the same the whole way through. So it's just the G, 12 strums, A minor, 12 strums, A minor, again, 12 strums, back to G, 12 strums, and it repeats that throughout the entire song, just keeps going and going and going. Yeah, cool. Hope that's helped. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this one useful or helpful in any way, shape or form, please, as always, do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.